Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to enjoy the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No stress, no complicated lessons. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times to get the most out of it. Today's video is all about one of the most important meals of the day, American breakfast. What do Americans typically eat in the morning? What makes this meal so unique and delicious in the United States? Let's explore the classic elements of an American breakfast and what they say about American culture. In the United States, breakfast can vary a lot depending on the region and personal preferences, but there are some popular staples that you'll find across the country. A traditional American breakfast often includes eggs, bacon, sausage, toast, and pancakes or waffles, usually served with butter and maple syrup. Many people also enjoy hash browns, which are crispy fried shredded potatoes. Eggs are especially important in American breakfast culture. They can be prepared in many different ways: scrambled, fried, poached, or made into omelets filled with cheese, vegetables, or meat. Bacon and sausage are common protein choices, adding a savory, salty flavor to the meal. For those who prefer something sweet, American breakfast often includes cereal, bagels with cream cheese, donuts, or muffins. In recent years, smoothies, yogurt with granola, and avocado toast have become popular for those who want a healthier or more modern twist. Another iconic part of the American breakfast is coffee. Many Americans start their day with a hot cup of coffee, whether it's black, sweetened, or mixed with cream. It's not just a drink. It's part of the morning ritual and a must-have for many working adults. Breakfast traditions also change depending on the day of the week. On weekdays, when people are busy, they often eat something quick like toast, cereal, or grab-and-go breakfast sandwiches. On weekends, families might take more time to cook a big breakfast together and enjoy it around the table. There are also regional variations in breakfast. In the South, dishes like biscuits and gravy or grits are common. In the Northeast, you might find bagels and lox. And in California, breakfast burritos and fresh fruit bowls are often on the menu. So, as you can see, the American breakfast is much more than just food. It's about comfort, energy, and starting the day on a good note. Whether the hearty plate of bacon and eggs or a quick granola bar on the way to work, breakfast plays a central role in American daily life. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope you enjoyed learning about what Americans eat in the morning and how breakfast reflects their culture and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video, which is essential for mastering both English and American culture. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us keep growing and creating even better content for you. See you in the next video.